My name is Nick Gillett, and I am the Vice President of Nutrition Research for Dole Food Company, and I also run the Dole Nutrition Institute. The North Carolina Research Campus, the NCRC, is funded privately by David H. Murdoch, and Dole Foods simply has a lab placed on the campus. There are approximately 300 scientists that work on the campus as a whole, and then Dole itself has a total scientific team of 4 people, including myself. The universities that are located on campus are interested in nutrition, human health and agriculture. We're very interested in plants, fruits and vegetables and the nutrients they contain, and we're also very interested in how those nutrients affect human health. So we have agricultural universities like NC State, and we also have universities that are interested in human health, such as UNC Chapel Hill. We have a suite of nuclear magnetic resonance instruments. We have the best microscopes in the world. We also have a huge suite of chromatography equipment. We can change atmosphere, we can change humidity inside the stage. Everything is controllable, if you like. An NMR instrument enables you to discover chemical structure. And so then, as a trained scientist, we can look at this chemical structure and find out why it might be important in health, or maybe how we could improve it and make it better. We also use them to look at complete metabolic and blood profiles of people. I think Dole is truly a pioneer in both nutrition education and nutrition research. And I think you need both. You need to discover things, and then you need to be able to educate the consumers about what you discover. And that's what we're trying to do. For example, we can recommend bananas during exercise now. We have scientific proof that this is a good dietary recommendation. Who are looking into how berries may be able to help the slow progression of brain decline as we age. Longevity is a very, very important aspect of what we study here on the campus. And we have to realise that ageing is not a disease, it's a normal process that everybody undergoes. So we're looking at how we can slow down that process. But what happens as we age is your DNA gets damaged and it gets older. That causes problems in health later on. Fruits and vegetables are now showing us that they can stop this damage. So your DNA remains intact, and when your DNA is intact, that's when everything works properly. We believe that the discoveries we're making today are going to allow us to age and live longer, but we're also going to be able to be functional at these older ages. We're going to still be able to be physically active. We're going to still be able to be mentally active. And I think that's the really important thing. It's one thing to be old, but it's quite another thing to be old and healthy.